If you want to speak English, so is it important to learn grammar? See, if I will go through this book, it will take minimum 1 year to cover it up. So I don't have much patience to wait till 1 year. I want to speak English within 2 to 3 months. Maximum I can wait till 6 months, not more than that. So please God, give me ideas, give me clarity. Is it important or not to learn grammar? Hello friends, welcome to my channel Goutam Glich. So today in this video I'm going to discuss about is it important, is it essential to learn grammar or not to speak English? If yes, then how much? So without wasting time, so let's get started. Friends, as we all know that English is our second language, so we don't have much knowledge about it in English. Even we can't think in English. Also, English beyond of our daily activities and conversation. So it is a little bit challenges to speak English. But guys, to learn some language, we have to go from basic with a proper manner. We can't directly jump from peak up the hill, but we can go through bottom to top. We can go through basic to advanced. See friends, it is not necessary to achieve the mastery in grammar because you are not going to become an English teacher, grammatical teacher, but our purpose to speak English only. That's it. 30 to 40% grammar is essential to speak English out of 100. So that you can elaborate whether I'm speaking about present, past, future, so that other person can understand what exactly I'm saying. Speak English without grammar, it is okay for our normal life. But when you jump to a professional life, official life, so it is very essential to speak English with grammar. You must have at least basic knowledge, basic understanding about grammar so that you can communicate with other colleagues. If you speak English without grammar in a professional life, so it might be challenges for you to survive. Friends, you know, people are saying grammar is not important to speak English. Yes, I agree your point. Just tell me one thing. Tomorrow I will go to market. So did I use grammar or not? Definitely used. That in future I will go to market. Here will indicates about future tense. Other person can simply understand ki Goutam tomorrow will go to market. That's simple. Grammar is important to speak English. I'm not saying to achieve the mastery in grammar, but you must have basic understanding, basic knowledge about in grammar, so that you can recognize yourself you are speaking right or wrong, whether you are going to a right direction or wrong direction. If you recognize that you are speaking well, you are speaking right, so that it will boost your confidence and you can speak English confidently. Friends, if anyone is telling you that grammar is not important to speak, just ask him one thing, ki tell me one sentence where you don't use grammar, where you don't use have, had, has, format, phrasal verb, modal verb, tense. Okay, without grammar, just tell me one sentence. Then I will agree your point. There was one time I was very poor, even I had a bland idea about in English. Even I can't speak one word of in English. So as per my experience, grammar is essential, grammar is important to learn. But it is not important to learn all those things regarding grammar. Okay, so we must have clarity about modal verb, phrasal verb, had, have, has format, sentence structure, tense. Okay, these things you must have a clarity so that you can speak English confidently. Friends, this is enough for today. I will get back with another video that will help you to improve your English communication skill. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that it will motivate me to create many more content. Thank you for watching for this video. Have a great learning.